You can take and you can find the similar classes to Andrew Tate. You can dropship that. One more thing I want to mention, that do not add any call to action. It's a lot of controversy that can make you money. Hey guys, so do you want to make money online without investing much money into it? Then this model will be perfect for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify the opportunities and trends that are going around the world and how to capitalize on it via free marketing with dropshipping business model. So without any further delay, let's dive into my laptop to see everything in process to have the lifestyle of top G. Let's go. So guys, let's go over first of all the trends and audience criteria that you need to follow to make sure you are not wasting your time on the wrong trend. Okay, so first of all, the criteria goes like you need to have the trend that are going over for 2 to 3 months or more in the lifeline cycle. Okay, second is you need to make sure that trend should have passionate audience or so that they will buy. Third, trends which have content available online for free so that it can be repurposed in the free marketing strategy. Fourth is trend which have free designs available online for free or related ready to do dropshipping product on AliExpress. You need to make sure 4 out of 4 things should be checked to make sure you are not wasting time on the wrong trend. So, hydration part is out of the way. Let's see how to execute the strategy in the right manner. So, once you know what to check in the trends criteria, it's time to find the trends, and how to do that I'll show you in this part. Okay, so as you can see my screen, there are different websites in which you can go and explore the topics that are going around the world. For example, this trend hunter will show you the trends that are going on in the world. For example, festive character theme sneakers and all. There are websites like exploding topics and much more, but honestly I really like the organic approach. So in this way I find the very untapped and also the trends that are currently started, okay, so that I can catch up to them. So as you can see, currently I am on my Indian IP, so I can basically use VPN to switch to any country. So here you go. So basically now I am connected to United States IP and I just click on refresh. So I can see everything that is going on in United States Twitter. So as you can see here, Iran is currently, trending in United States. Also, I can go on trending tab to see what's going on more. So here you can see everything that is going on, right? Alex Jones and Kelly Rowland, Iran, and a lot more. So you need to have like the trend seeing eyes to capture what's going on. Also, you can go over like top news, like news. So as you can see here, top G, it's trending, right? So you already know what is top G right now, right? And Snake, okay, crypto investor, NFT community, save soil, things are going good, right? So as you can see, another way to find the trends that are going on in the world or something topic that are popping off is to follow all the top influential people in the world. For example, Elon Musk. Once you find the trend, I will show you now how to identify the trends properly. So let's go over in practice to see how to check and verify all the criteria that I have mentioned. The first criteria was trends have more than 2 to 3 months of lifeline cycle. So for that, I will simply go on Google Trends and type it here. For example, Andrew Tate. Okay. So as you can see, like Andrew Tate was, popped up from nothing, and now it's also going because he was controversial man. Okay, controversy kind of working in this strategy, so you can ride the wave of controversy. So first thing is check that it have more than like a 6 month cycle currently. So it's kind of checked, right? Second is passionate audience, so they will buy. If you know, like Andrew Tate have a buy hard followers, so if anything that comes related to Andrew Tate, they will buy it blindly. So it's really good opportunity to have like some sort of common sense in this, that if a personnel is famous and very attached to the followers, then yeah, this second criteria will be checked. Okay. Third is trends which have content available. So you just need YouTube videos to repurpose the content you want. Okay, so as you can see, Andrew Tate have a lot of content. Okay, for example, this one, you can take a lot of clips out of this. For example, 9 hours and 10K views. So of course he is popping off. Okay. Fourth is trends which have free designs available or products that are ready to sell. So you just want to go over AliExpress to check if the trends have enough product to ready to dropship or designs. So I will just type the simple trend name, that is Andrew Tate. Boom. So it's a lot, like there are a lot of t-shirts and other materials that you can repurpose and sell to the audience. For example, Andrew Tate sunglasses, Andrew Tate Bugatti, and just uh, some sort of manner of a toy or something like that. So there are a lot of things that you can think of selling to the audience. T-shirts, you can make your own designs on Canva and print it via POD services. Let's do the same thing on second trend. So I want to show you the second trend, that is Trump. If you are familiar what is going on in United States, then you are known to this thing. But people of United States want Trump to back, right, in 2024 campaign. So it's clearly that 2024 is far right. You can ride the wave of 2024 election from today and give the supporter of Trump the things that they want. Okay, that is products. Okay, so let's see. Let's check the content so that we can verify. Trump 2024. You can see a lot of things are going on, and things are popping off. You can use the controversy and make the bag out of it. So you already know. So it's a great trend to ride on. So I will of course suggest you to go over this. Last is the trend should have the designs and products to market. In the AliExpress, I will just search Trump. Let's see. So as you can see, like this thing is crazy. Trump 2024 take America back. Okay, for example, this one, 2024 President Trump, I will be back. Like this kind of things will sell like hotcakes. Okay, to the followers of the personnel. So you need to understand, like this one, it's a lot of controversy that can make you money. You can take advantage of this and make the money. I will be back, haters gonna hate, whatever. There are a lot of things that can be used, okay, here. So these are the two examples. Let's go over to where to park the products and how to market. Okay, so we have made some progress here. We have found the trends, we have found the content that we can refurbish. Also, we have found the products that we can sell to the audience of that trend. So it's time to build a Shopify store. But I do not want to bore you with a long Shopify store tutorial because there are hundreds of them on YouTube. You are just one search away to them. So now you can build a Shopify store on any theme, any free theme, I would say, because design doesn't matter in this case. You need to have a decent looking store which can process the order from start to finish. Now it's time that to have and to validate product market fit. Okay, so for that we need to go over the marketing. So in the marketing, you have a different options. For example, you can go with the DM approach, you can go with some other approach, but I really like the viral content marketing approach. You will only focus on one channel and then you will just go full send on it. Okay, with the content, with the call to action, with the traffic on your store, you will have a lot of great things. So let me explain you properly with the help of a chart here. Okay, so as you can see my screen, here is a viral free content marketing strategy. In this, you will focus on one main channel. It may be Instagram, it may be TikTok, or it may be YouTube Shorts. So you will choose any of them because any of them will work in. But my favorite is either TikTok or Instagram, because in that you can have like a clear call to action in the bio. Okay, but on YouTube Shorts you will not have the option of call to action properly. So I would suggest TikTok or Instagram for this case. Then the next step is to push viral worthy content 6 to 7 times a day. Okay, you need a lot of viral content here. I will show you the example of viral content and the call to action that you can integrate in it. Then have a clear call to action in the bio. If you are just using Instagram, then have a Instagram link in bio. All right, then you will get a free traffic from that content, which will lead to ultimate sales. Okay, so this is how the whole flow will go. Now let me show you the content, like the content side of that, like what, because here the main thing is content. If you can't refurbish the good quality content, you will not get free traffic. Also, if you don't get the free traffic, there is very less probability of getting the sales, because more the traffic you will get, more the probability of getting the sales from them. Okay, so here you need to understand that the main skill here is the editing and finding the right content so that you can push and refurbish it. Let me show you the example of viral content you can push with the clear call to action. Okay, so as you can see my screen, I have made two demo video on Andrew Tate trend. So I just want to mute that thing so that it won't cause copyright. So here you go. Here the Okay, one more thing I want to mention, that do not add any call to action in the first 5 or 6 seconds, because you don't want to seem to be spammy or anything that is not likely to be watched. Okay, you need to have like a viral content in the first starting, so that people can watch your video, and also it can be a good scroll stopper. So here you go. But like for example, in this case, the main focus is like Andrew Tate sunglasses, so I have just given a good call to action on the sunglasses, as you can see here. So I have added like the find Andrew Tate exclusive sunglasses link in the bio, limited stock. So it's kind of thing like the Andrew Tate followers will buy for them, because they love Andrew Tate and they want to be top G. You already know, it's a great way to sell to the followers if they like something about their like ideal. Okay, so here you go. This is the thing. For example, in this video I have used another marketing angle. Okay, as you can see, first 6-7 second I haven't added anything, but later I have added this thing like get top G t-shirt for free, click the link in bio. So you can use the free plus shipping offer here, and in this case you will charge $14.99 for shipping and free t-shirt for sure. Well, you need to use the marketing angles, also you need to use different type of offers and taglines to attract the customer, the viewer basically. Okay, so this kind of content you have to push at least 6 to 7 times in a day consistently, until your one video or two video will blow up and will get you a lot of visitors on your website. If your website is working, have a decent store design, also your product market fit is right, then you will get a lot of sales there. Okay, for free, absolutely. So in this case you just have to invest on two things. One is Shopify store that you can get for $1 a month, I guess, on a lot of affiliate links that you can find around the internet or YouTube. Second, you want to get a $6 or $7 domain, $6 or $7 domain name. You need some legitimacy in your website. You don't want to go with .myshopify.com domain name, so you need a domain name for this. That's it. It's not crazy a difficult way to make money online. You just need to understand three things. First is to find the right trend. Second is to find the right product and content. Third is to publish and be consistent with the marketing channels. That's it, nothing major. Hope you like this video. If you did so, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more future content. That's it for this video. If you need to more about me and other things, then check the links in my description, and see you in the next one. Till that, keep executing and keep improving.
Ain't catching no cash. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now, I throw the Soleil. My hook in the water, she liking my babe. Ain't saving a hoe, I don't wear a cave. You beef with me, don't think you ever